Ia mua fatalo fatu el mamalu mal paia o tatatu a me se fo yo o mamau I ma o le tu fala langi. Wa tato wo mai nei tato program o nei o le Unia so luasfu mai balu, luasfu mai tolu. Fatalofa, talofa lava. Fatai lava tasimai. Ale amuamuan tato o atuluma le ali se tatale fa manuia mai le tato program in ne Afiafi. Tato ifo fa molmole ma tato tatalo. Ole a o foinas tato sanga. Le atua al mato tamai o le langi o le na poa le langi male lalo langi. Wa mato mai nei o le a mato au auna I le atunuu ma ia e wha manuia mai wha molmole le atua pa manuia mai a te mato il file mu I le fia ma le ata mai ia maua e mato le ata mai au auna le atunuu a mei se lava ia maua e mato le ata mai e loa tuai loa fia e ona mea lava. Please, Almighty God, bless us with joy and happiness tonight. Bless us with wisdom, knowledge, understanding. And please let our program be prosper. And bless all those who are out there watching us, Almighty God. In Jesus Christ's name's sake, I pray. Amen. Yeah, to papasayas foi, Malo. I mua foi lava on our Malo atun papasay atun matupule. Ele sunga yatu ile epa sua. Lope ngai oia male. Di taonga luenga I nei letio ma program po taitasi. Manuia le atua I matupule. A me se position para ya soli. Ya a me se fanau. Papasay ole termine. Ole atua tuloa ile Mato pule is the news mai Samoa. Pamulmo le lava.
Fatalafatu si fongo tai au fou mai Samoa ili nei fo itula.
Mai le pale meneu a Manu'atele ia minista. A o ia ili fatal noa ngol tala tupi fa so al Malo lua o tolu lua o fa. Na sao noa ili fangal minista on tanga alwe ngosi si umanga ma o fa natura. Toa sulu Cedric Schuster. Ili si iti ai leo elti se ngosi mai le lus fulu tolus fulu meka watts. Leo o atu tolus fulu fitu meka. Ili tali al minista wa ia ta wai. Le olo o iai fuafuanga ale Malo. E ao o na awanik toi tu inatu pe monopolize pe whaatontonu mai ese company fafo le tau o tatu elitise. O iai company Samoa mwhai ono lato whaia iai foi nisi vaenga a o lato whaatulanga mai vaenga ia. Ina ia mawhai ai o na maua le Malo si wha elitise mai le savili ma le la. O le whaanau ta inga a mawhai ona whaatino o le a mawhai ai isi company nga o si elitise. Ona whaamalia ina le nau ta inga le fitu se 10% le elitise maua mai ile Malo si Faafofoga'aga. Na Afiafi ile tali al minister si o manga al faatatianga o le listala ma le lisina o ele taiminei. O freehold land ma fanua o le Malo, pauna o fanua o whaonga ai le LTR 008 ai o fanua whaalenga nuu o lo o whaonga ai tula fono ta siva o na lima. Ele esefte na ingo ele lava o iei tato whaambai. Ele mawhai fo ina whaatau ele whaalenga nuu e peo na ia sao noa. A lisi e iai fo ilalo le tula fono, wa tuu iai le lisi no ele whaaleanga nu. Ayo ele whaasala si o lo ta oto se e iai se whaatalanoanga ma le ofiso le loia sili ia whaia se tautunga lei o lea polo kalame i le toe whaafoi o ele o loo whaatino le ngā luenga le siusi o manga ma le loia sili mo ia vai ngā ele. Na whaoila vea le whaaftai le whaipule whaleata numero 5 le sunga ale vena ale i le minista o le sala si. Ma ia ta ua tele lona i tū Malo malona nuu wa uma o na whaatau whanua e au mai le sala si o le whanua whaaleanga nuu ai au mai i ai whai atu o le freehold land a whai toe whaafo i le whaaleanga nuu ai leise me toe tongi ai nā tolu suli ma whetala. Ai atūlanga o talingalu sa nol minista o si o manga i le sili o na fia o le ngātai whale o la fia o ngau li o na ele ai sea au e luat sa o lava ngalu e iai fo i isi nuu o mana o mia talingalu ai o lo tau wha soa iai le tupe ai o le wha moemoenga a mautu mai nisi soani i ona wha tau nuu lea o nisi fo i talingalu. E nisi o tau leo poto Faapitoa mai fiti leo tau nuu i Samoa e la tau te a o ina leo a Samoa le teti e pasika mo le 5 vai aso. O le soani mai a leo fiti i saonga le muta penanga masolo le mo talinga Malo a Samoa le fono a taitai o Malo le tau bulenga le tau sangafou. O se la sanga na whaafta iair kom sina o leo mfalpuipui au apa au longo i tino Filipo le soani a fiti i le atina e ina mtanga anuenga. Ai o se whaaftai fo ile nā mai le itu o leo a fiti i le amana i atu le lato langolango e ala mai lalo o porkalame le Pacific Island Chiefs of Police le PICP ma le vaenga o leo al Malo Australia. O mai tawina le ngata ina o le oina o te e pasika leo Samoa soani mai ai leo a fiti ai o isi fo ito mai mo le anga ilu montanga nuenga o leo mfalpuipui. O le vai nei le tau nuu mai ai toe taliu le aso mua le masina au kuso. Ua masi i atul pula ngol to manga moe popua ngati ai savai ina wa umane le ngā luenga toe whaanatu na whaia. Ma ona sui a wai fai tau se lau i le motu o polu nei. Fai tau se lau fo i sui a wai o le to manga i sala fai le ua whaatasia uma i le aso i le potufono le rosa lote i sapapali'i o whaatasia atu iai le fiongal prestene o to manga sili niu lina jang.
O koe ea o ngā koe reviving ngā winga whaafui o wai, tai ngā winga tawale lang o lang winga ngā malu le tunu. O sa vai lene, tai ngei lua o ngā lo vai ngā mawhainga. O koe wha mga kunga lang o responsibilities. Ai lua nge ka ua de whasa o ngā soifua. Ia anu ngā kusa mali ka konga wenga. E whandeli maru o skadia. E whandeli e defect. Ilungali pulu kalame velele tautua.
Ngā luenga tāpena umai alto manga o whanga solo ai pēla fo ilana tā ilinga seleni ilunga o sota inga tele vave mo le tausinga o whanau le Campus of Hope. E awha miliona le tupe wa tofa le Malo mo ngā luenga whaale o onga e tu ititi ai sa wangai a inga manuu.
Ai o tala mai Amerika Samoa e tolu sulfitu te 5 miliona tupe Amerika. Le ua fola le presidente o Amerika e whale lei ai sota inga tele vave tono Amerika Samoa. O le taimi nei tūlanga tau interneti o lo ofeso o ina lama telefoni taimi o whaatalanoanga alu fua vanga nai ua wala au sao o na manino leo whaatalanoanga. E lena Amerika Samoa leo lo ave e tupe tele mo le sitio la tau sota inga o lo au fiai ma stete 5 Manu'atele peitai. Sao nole fiongal povana le manu peleti maunga ina o tātou fesilingi ai le tupe lea. Ele i taunu mai pe tai wa fua mai la na malanga len malanga i talua i ko lea na mol mawina i ko vana le wifi uma o fale sao la to fewa i ai na tunu mai o fesili pe ai se ai le fa pena i tato ai na mol mawina foi ia tamaitia onga sa fai mea onga le bus stop malato laptop ai na fesili atu i pe ai se ai fa peane langa i le ola le internet i o la to fale na mol mawina foi le fa elektrono le internet i le fale lau mea i le tai au le au ta pena le fono o lo whanga solo i nei le Western Pacific Regional Fishery Management Council i lona aso mua lua fitua iuni lua o lua tolu. Mai lava Amerika Samoa lo tali malo i nei i le malo i le fono lona se la wiva 5 le fono faufautua a le itulangi il Pasifika i sifo po le Western Pacific Regional Fishery Management Council o le aso le talano i nail mta uputau i le manaonga o le Manu'atele o Amerika e whaalau tele maila na tapui o ngā sami sifo le Pasifika o ngā samina o lo whangongota i aiva a whangota o sa palaia whale tu apaia i Amerika Samoa. O se mta upo lo whaali aile matuate e na malosi e le Western Pacific Regional Fishery Management Council ma le Malo Amerika Samoa. Mai u ina tusi sa'o atua I lava kovana o Territorio Amerika I le Prestene e Afiai ma le Territorio Amerika Samoa. Tusi ya Presidente Biden. Ia afianga o tangata o le Territory pe awhai e whaatau nu'ul tāpunia o ngā Sarmy e pe ona tā ua ilunga. O le isi lea mta upu whaatala noa I le Aso'au o se whinangalo au tasi o le whono whaasanga I Manaonga o le Manu'atele. Masao no ai le fionga le kovana le manu pe le ti maunga ananafi I le onga o afianga ona tangata ma le tamao a inga Amerika Samoa pe awhai ai tau nu'u pea le nei fuafuanga. Ai o sa nol tama itai o tau la mua I le alanga ina o le pui ngol si o manga o Amerika Samoa tisa whaamuli o le fio anga wa lenga a whai mana na o lava Amerika e whaia lea tūlanga e te tau na au mai pe tau mai foi seisi la asanga wa ia fuafua mo tangata o Amerika Samoa o le fono o whaia le council ua mawaia avanoa tangata lautele wha adiai o la tō finangalo I le mta upula valea. Si ufongal tai au fau, mai Samoa, Manuia Tele mangol nei fo iaso.
Ia o le taimi nei o la tatou whalonglongo atu loi mea tau whaapisinisi, o nei pisinisi vi ia le atua nei pisinisi uma, o lango malosi mai I le sapoe, sosoani mai I Manuia Tele lava le atua ia te autou uma. Sunga sua Afioga.
Nisi o tatu whasalonga whapisisi mo le ne Afiafi o le Paradise Supermarket and Store. Maua so se loa Samoa o mea taulima o mea aitu apa ele mo se mea ai vela te minei. Ai o lo maua mea so se mea aitu apa lava o le Pasifika atua o le atu Samoa e te maua I kitonu maua fortus pa ia ma le pese Samoa so se mea taulima o le ula tifa o le ula pua o le ula fala o la e o tamaitai o le puletasi o le I whaitanga o a loa mori e te maua umalava I le au nanga a le supermarket and store o le tamaitai pule e te tala mai le aso ngafua e whaangata mai e tapunia I le aso tō nai ma le aso sā e te tala mai le aso ngafua si I pa ia le aso wharaile o na tapuni le aso tō nai ma le aso sā mo loto si la fia. O le telefoni e te maua iai o le fitu tasi whā, 553, valu 550. Wala au iai fesili ia mō te matai pule le nātou te sila ma iai li te minei, te matai la fionga Leatuivaoali'i Crystal Aso'au, ia ele ngata fo ila o le whale o loa. Ai o lo iai fo I lana au nanga, ia na te tausia ai senior citizens, ia maso se tangata lava. O mo o mir soani, I le vaenga leo lana au nanga o na whale te tele na e 5 o lo ia tausia I senior citizens ma so se tangata so se lanu so se ngangana wau fo I o tātou tangata Samoa ia le vaenga o ta ua o le Crystals Room and Board 5 whale te tele o lo o whaatino inai lea au nanga ta I 5 ta iono fitu potu moe o le whale tasi telefoni lava na tasi te mauai le tamatai pule fitu tasi wha 553 valu 550 o to e whafoma le telefoni fitu tasi wha 553 valu 550 o mo le anga I le whale o loa o le untuatusi tolu tasi West Lincoln Avenue Anaheim, California 92801 o le life insurance manatua masani ao na whai atu le tatu tautua ma le unanga o le taimi le nei e te tapena I lava oe ma au ma tato uma ia le taimi e fōringa malanga ai le tangata ia tatu te le toi wha moe ai I whanau ma ainga e ala le I le whaia o le life insurance o le au nanga lea le FFS po le First Financial Service o lana main product o le IUL po le Index Universal Life iai tutonu le living benefits e whao ngā a o tatu soifua pea e mwhai o tatu whao ngaina le seleni a o tatu soifua pea whapena fo ilama le cash value ia mō whaalawe lawe whafo sei so soani fo ile retirement o nei vai ngā tupe uma e le pei o insurance masani ai whato a maua lava pea o maile maliu maleoti a o vanga ia mea lea e unique ai le product lea o na e mwhai o no tatu whao ngaina le tino I tupe a o lo soifua pea e mawhai foi o na insua mo tangata o lo o maua I mai tu mau o le tino po ua fōringa mai lava ule to e au ngāsi tonga fiti e le lei so ta iane i o le pule mata whara tami fatilua ia mari fatua ia seri fatilua i le iwa fitu tasi tolu o tolu wha fitu tolu lua ia po le 5 o tolu tolu lua valu wha ono wha iwa io e awane ngalo wala au iai e watu ai nisi wha manga atili e o ia tātou grandchildren e mawhaia ono tātou tutongi ina policy sa tātou grandchildren ma tutongi e tātou e mawhai fo ina whao ngā e tātou le latou products lea io e a o iti lava i latou e mātutua e ia ua lata i le miliona ia le vaenga ai le lelo wala au telefoni pe ona o whailo atu ia mo le silafia atili o le whaleta vale ia po le vaenga le o le Aaron Tots of Noko North Corona lona winga o le vai mena o le City of Corona o Riverside vaenga umana i le foi i le vaenga leanga i City County San Bernardino le area lena o lo iai ia le wharta avale le uta ua le Aaron Dodge o brand new cars as well as used cars io e whasota iane ia le alii po le sales manager ia le susunga ia Brian Vaalelei Lima o ia o le sales consultant io e lona winga ia o sealo le tatou atunu le leilo wala au ia ilan telefoni lua tasi tolu valu wha o ono lima ono to e whafonga mai o le telefoni lua tasi tolu valu wha o ono lima ono o le tuatusi pe afia siasi iai o le tasi iwa valu o Hamner Avenue Noko, California 92860 ia lena a ua fia turn in lau taavale pe le ala val meu e manatu fatau se brand new car te vala au ia Brian Lima i le telefoni lua tasi tolu valu wha o ono lima ono e mawhai o na mawatu le fitoswani o le isi wharta avale o ta ua le performance auto sales o wharta avale le just used cars only se wharta avale e tutono e ai o tau se ili atu o Whittier, City of Whittier e te tala fitu aso le vai aso o le telefoni e te maua i eile li pule o aiki manda ia o le 512 ono iwa 5 ono iwa selau ia po le telefoni fe avea ai iwa o iwa ono toru lua ono 5 ono tasi o lona tuatusi tasi 5 fa o East Whittier Boulevard City of Whittier, California iwa o ono o tasi le lei leanga feololo mtua leanga o credit wala au ia i telefoni pe ona tu inatu e mawhai ona fisoso ni tele ia le au onanga a le performance auto sales i o tatu credits wala au ni iai o maua le amanoa o le tatu fangu asia o le asia ia e pei ona mata noa to i le po ona po ia masita mai mai New Zealand e au ngā tele ia moro soifua maloloina e mo faafouina ma mana tua fo'i a o ina maloloina ia totonga ia musele po sel sur tatu tino ia faingo fi fo'i ona ave sea mai ma oe ma u ia ma tu ititi ai mai se le mau fa mai le tatu atnu ona o le tau mafa o le tatu atnu ma le tele me ai ia ele tarafia ngai ma le soifua maloloina fe so ni tele ia le fo ile asia redox ia e nate so ni ilo soifua maloloina o le falainga o ta o le OCI o le falainga i tonu o le ai o Garden Grove e lunga tonu lava o le mga ala le ta o Galway Street ma Garden Grove Avenue o ina tonu o ia le falo loa o tuatusi o le iwa fitu luatasi Garden Grove Boulevard e maua o i eilana bakery te e wala au iai, mwhai ona mai le asorulu, i le aso tō nai, o le aso tō nai whato a maua ile mea ai vela, mea tau sami vela, ia mō le whonta umafa o le tātou atnuu. O le OCI Polynesian Store, ia e lalo o le wawainga, ia mapulea e le tamaitai, o Kathy, Tiulin, fui ava, ia malonali i ia mualia, fui ava, wala awane i le telefoni, 5 i vatasi, 5 o i valua te maua so si olo Samoa, ia i le nā fo i tautua ma le nā au nanga. Ia o nisi nā o tātou whasalaunga, whapisi i le nei vaenga o le astu. Ia, back to you, Crystal.
Ia, patai lava lau Afioga sua mo pasalauina o mato pisinisi. Tama whai atu lava e sosoani i tatou atunuu ma ia paolola lava i tatou leitio ma tatou auauna. Ia te talo mai mo matou, ia manui e mana o mia lava tau te talo. Au taimi nei, ole a tatou, ole a matou whamanuia atu, ia te o tau ma lava all over the globe, we o whai lato aso whanau today. Le aso luas malvalu o uni. Happy birthday to all of you. May God bless you and tremendous bliss at more years. Ia sana tu lui atu tau sanga ia tau soifua ma whaamanuia. Yeah, enjoy your cake or enjoy your ice cream. We all love you. We congratulate you. We say happy birthday from our SOTF Samoa Siufofonga o Samoa. Ia, ole a tā atu mato pese nei. Faafiafia te o
Elelei aso mawana whai e Leatua. Ese ai ole nei aso malona taua. Wa ato ai se si tau sang ai whaafopoi lo soifua. Mono le lofa o Leatua malana pule wha soifua. O ai ele tangata wa ia manatu mai ai. Le tele o nei tau sanga wa ia foa i mai. Fo i lea tua le vi inga le whaamanu ma le whaafetai. Au au no mea matatau ai. Ia Manuia lo waso whanau. Ia Manuia lo waso whanau. Manuia Leatua I lo waso whanau Ia Manuia te waso whanau Ia Manuia te waso whanau Ia Manuia Leatua I to waso whanau Tua ele mase uolo na fina ngalo Asa moli moli le ne aso e ale le tatalo Le tua fa'afofoma tatalo O le tua e talimana o ia fo'i E mali e ai o tato mana Fa'afi tau li fetai ai le olanga O mai o le tino e tapa tau tali ai le malanga Fa'afetai le atua i lana fa'amalo Lo mamana mai malo si ai maula i le tele o nei tau sanga Manuia lo waso whanau Ia Manuia lo waso whanau Ia whaamanuia Leatua I lo waso whanau Ia Manuia tō aso whānau. Fia la ia le tele o au me alofa. E le aise me alofa sili nai le mana maola. O le fina malo le atua, o le tia e le maseua. Awa e wha i fo i le moto, ai e toli fo i le matua. Wai le tau pati mai o ai ngana lua. Wawena wa ai ia e mamana le atua. Tātou te talo ia wha o popo ina e le atua. O nisi aso na se mana o lau atua ia whai a pelo fina malo. Ia Manuia lo aso whanau. Ia Manuia lo aso whanau. E wha Manuia le tua. I lo aso whanau. Ia Manuia to aso whanau. Ia Manuia to aso whanau. Ia wha Manuia le tua. Tō aso whānau.
Yeah, greetings again. Toi whata alofa tu fo'i, good evening atu le nei tu o le baneta. Ale nei teimi. O le introduce atu loa ia lau guest number 1. Ai, au te le I whaawau watu le lautala polpoka lame nei. Na whamaisha o whanau. E toa lua se fulu wha iau grandchildren. Ia e toa lima sha o whanau tolu teine e lua tama. Whai mai lato. Grandma, how come you always speak in Samoan? We don't understand what you're saying. We want to know what you're saying. But then I said, Yalango Likio Samoa. So therefore, affirmation Wisi Whanau. But a lot of people, they don't speak Samoan. They need to understand what's going on. You have nice story and program, but they need to understand. Oh, Fakolola Isha Whanau. Yep. I'm going to try to do both. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, I'd like to introduce to you my first guest. He is, or she is, a Hollywood celebrity designer. He is a fashion designer, and he has designed so many of Hollywood movie stars and celebrities. His name is Sarmy Reyes. Ola guest le nepo elua guest. Ole guest mo ole tamaitai le o Sarmy Reyes. O ia o se fashion designer on ia sui professional fashion designer. O ia le suina ia style ese tangata Hollywood. Woto te loa poi le teimi leo le sama ko yiki fai poi le sabali movie star ilunga o le red carpet. Yo mai movie star celebrities mo kuenga style ya to tele au vaenga nga e fai la ko style e Sarmy Reyes. Olona taleni na ole professional fashion designer. Yeah, tau lava na ma meet wa ave fo iau e puletasi. So, ole la wa fai ngoa ai le ma pisinisi fo lea, ole poka lame pisinisi fo, ole Polly Holly. Polly Holly, yeah. Polly Holly fashion means Polly for Polynesian. Holly means Hollywood. So, e mawhai la, ia na whai e tamaitai lea. Ale ia Hollywood style and Polynesian style purikasi so seku ainga style. As you all see me and watch me every night, ato tanga i mai a mau style, mau ofu. Ia, fa manuia au si papa le o ia le o ia le fa ia ya style. O lea la afa apea e tau te yes lava se ise o to e fia fai se Hollywood style, you know, awa a fai e fai poiponga. E tele mana are for the same thing, right? Be different, right? So upgrade yourself with beauty. So now, Sarmy, lorna ino Sarmy, e sau se teme e vatuaile le telefoni sia li ilea. E awa pēr lawe whaise tau oka, yes a future celebration, is him. Communicate with him, call him, alai koa mai ya. Well, he is my fashion designer also. Okay, Sarmy, would you like to say hello to the world out there?
Hi guys, how are you?
Loud, please. Loud. Louder.
Uh, my name is Sarmy Reyes. I'm a fashion designer from LA. Uh, I'm so happy to be here with you, sharing my knowledge as a fashion designer. I've been designing for over 25 years. Uh, One of my favorite person is Crystal. She's wearing one of my designs, and
Yeah, you want me to stand up?
she she looks always amazing. Uh, I love her. I have so much fun with her because she likes she has a lot of style, and she likes to wear my hats, which that's one of my favorite designs to do. Wear a woman from
Louder.
head to toe, and and that's what she loves, and I have so much fun to dress her every time that she comes to my studio in LA. We have a lot of fun choosing, what she gonna wear, what she can wear, and so we have so much fun. And today she invited me to be with her as a guest, and I'm so happy to be here sharing my fashion to you.
Okay, thank you very much. Can you, share with us your talent? How did you come to know how to design all these professional designers for celebrity? Oh my goodness! When you say Hollywood, oh my gosh, it's a style of all styles. Did you go to school for that? How did you come to know this, starting this business or obtaining this wisdom?
Yeah, I went to fashion school at LA Trade Tech in Los Angeles. In
Look at the TV.
Los Angeles. So I went for fashion and design, and then before
Hello.
to go college, I'm already have the kind of like intuition for fashion, and then
Okay, here comes the noise.
and then I decided to go to school for fashion and design, and then when I finished fashion and design, I was ready already to go for business, which already have I had some knowledge, so it was easy for me after the college, for fashion and design. I started creating, my own designs for different kind of persons, like regular persons, and for a little while, and then after that, I was able to start, designing for more knowing people, like celebrities, and after few years, I created, my own brand. It called Sarmy, which everybody knows by now, and so I've been dressing up some Hollywood celebrities, and Crystal also, and so then everybody can find me now as a Sarmy Reyes on my social media, like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, So you can see most of my fashions there. I'm posting every day wherever I create, and if you wanna enjoy my fashion, you can contact me on all my social media and send me a message, and so we can create something fabulous for you. And then I have my showroom where you can if you wanna shop for my fashion, you can contact me on my social media. Most on my Instagram, I post most of my designs. As a Sarmy Reyes, you can find me, and you can send me a message, and then I can contact you back. I can return your message, and so we can create an appointment or whatever. If you have any questions, you can ask me or whatever.
I asked Sarmy, okay, Sarmy, what should I wear tonight? And he chose this for me. So I said, oh my gosh, okay, you can have this kind of style you can wear to parties. Also, she makes pieces like this.
That
You,
calls an stole.
yeah, it's called stall.
Stole.
Stall. O le ofu lea, e mawhaina ofu I le lotu. Pe a malulu fo I le winter, e mawhaina ofu e oi. Ah, ia, aranga o le sama mātou I nei, iau te le mana ai ofu. Ai nā mai lawe whaasino, whaalia tia te oto, mo meo styles. E mawhaina ofu I pāki, e mawhai po I nei ana whaile additional, mea lea vai, a whai nei la vai. Papela e whamai e ofu, whatu le ai te le ki ofu te mana e whaari la o style. Ngā piki e oe. Ia, ai a ofu la sa paki ngei. Ia, whai lola I ole jacket lea, po le top. What do you call this?
Stole.
Estol. Ia, whai lola estol. Thank you very much. Anyways, o Sarmy lea, le Hollywood celebrity,
Yeah, that
fashion
calls an
designer.
stole, and you can wear it on top of the dress when it gets cold. The like winter time, you can wear it on top if you get cold.
Yeah. So he's saying in English what I just said, and that's good, you know. So e langa shop, e tele to ai inga ai savali to tono the shop Asami. He has a lot of fashions. Fashion is fashion our movie stars inga avela ia ku le shop e watu ia tangata whaatau. So, o tō ia po lea mamau ta te ala alai, po New Zealand, po Australia, po Samoa. E iai langa website, nā le just communicate with her through his website, and then you go from there. Send in your measurements and send in your style. You will communicate with him, and he will show you on the website a kind of style, all kinds of styles, okay? So, and that's why I decided to bring him as a guest. It's very, very important, and I want him to be a blessing to all of us Samoan people, Samoan women, Samoan girls, weddings, whatever kind of celebration, family reunion, all kinds. Tele style e mawhaina o fuai. Instead, o le pule kase ke mi uma, e laku e sau malisi, pule kase alisi tamaitai, same material. Ai naya lava, go Hollywood style, American style. Ia, naya foi ai whai meisau pule tasi. E naya foi ai style whapea. If wai iai whai tina matutua, if you put it as style, just add beauty. Upgrade yourself with beauty.
People asking if you have a website.
Yeah. And can you explain your
Actually,
website?
you can see my fashion shows on YouTube. Actually, as a Sarmy Reyes, fashion designer, I've been showcasing my collections for Fashion Week with Arhar Fashions, which is the platform worldwide. And so you can check my videos on YouTube, and you can see my whole collections there. And most of my fashions are daily. You can check my Instagrams as a Sarmy Reyes, and you can follow me if you want. And also Facebook. Every day I post, whatever I create, and you can check out there.
Can you name one celebrity? Just one that you ever
Yeah,
designed for that?
lately I've been dressing up for red carpets. Uh, Amber Martinez, she's a Hollywood actress, and Blanca Blanco. I've been dressing up there. The last I dressed up Amber Martinez for the Cannes Festival in Paris. I do it every year for her, which is a huge red carpet. It's one of the biggest red carpets.
That's good. Great.
Also, a professional designer here, for yan camera people. They will take your after design whatever you want to wear. Yang tama yang company camera. Mafaina ave oile beach to have a different beautiful background for fair lava ole maunga. Lato sites a model. And he deals with a model once in a while. Pe whaalua pe whaatoro tausanga. If I mai a model, well, model aulele, model teine ia aulele ya dresses if I saying, well, I'm telling them that you do have models in once a year, 2-3 times a year you have a model show.
Yeah.
And
my fashion show, usually for Fashion Week, actually is coming on September, October. I might showcase a collection, so
There's someone asking here, Eva.
Yeah.
If Sarmy ever design a Samoan puritasi?
He's asking, someone's asking from the public, have you ever designed a Samoan puritasi? I'm going to answer this. Yes. I had given him a lot of my puritasi. I had given him materials. Okay, I want this design. I want whatever kind of design or style you pick. If I nailo puritasi, I have a lot of puritasi design. Si tamale, postainele, manaona ye ka wa ko ngayon taine. Okay.
He's
did?
a Mexican, right? Or
Yeah.
Filipino?
He's a Mexican.
I'm Mexican, and I live in LA, so you can contact me in LA. And I love Crystal because, she comes to me and she said, I want this style. So I can decide any style you want. So you just ask me for any style and I bring it to life.
Yeah.
No for LA.
No foi Los Angeles. No foi kalako Hollywood. Mena wa tau tuai e tata pokala me. Ola walu e a mai le gets le. Wa ta ua tele. Ia au lava ia paali ma share atu itina matene tamaitai new style so you can follow him and start wearing, add beauty to yourself. Anything else?
Yeah, and also I do men and women. So you can check out my Instagram, so you can see all my fashion for men and women. Sometimes I create styles that they can be for both women and men. So you can check out my Instagram.
Oh, you have an Instagram too?
Yeah, TikTok.
That's Sarmy Reyes.
Yeah.
TikTok.
What else?
I posted every day my videos. Also Facebook is Sarmy Reyes.
Yeah, and I was shocked when he showed me all these photos with the stars, the red carpet day. He's in there in the midst of all these people. I said, "Oh my gosh, how do you get? It's so hard for anyone like me to get into the red carpet." Asi ingolia because the stars he made all these stars. The movie stars, the celebrity, they wanted him to come. So when he entered the red carpet, they took pictures with him, and that's what made me believe because I saw the pictures with all these nice, beautiful fashion movie stars. Yes.
So if
Somebody
somebody,
speaks
if
Spanish.
somebody wants to contact me, send me a private message on Instagram
wanna
as
read?
Sarmy Reyes.
Someone is speaking Spanish
No,
over there.
I'm answer that. Tasi, you can follow me on Instagram as Sarmy Reyes, and I reply your message.
Do you have a business card?
Huh?
So I can put it up here?
My
He-
jacket.
At my house.
Oh, okay. It's all right.
My jacket.
O si tau lea po si teine lea. O le mea na mafuaina ma meet. O la walu le LA. Ia, na walu la ia whaasina mai la le teine lea. Na walu loi la ia I lunga I lana shop. Wa tangi lava. Yo whaatu o lea mo wa tangi ai. Te mi tonu a leo le COVID. Wala a kapungi ai la a close ai langa pisingisi. Anga le pawa leo le income. Ia wa iai foi movie stars and celebrity wa a fia le COVID. Ia wa le toi o ai foi stama lea. Po steine lea. You know? Ia o wala tu loa. O ka se pili. Le rent ke le. O ka o le ngaka le rent. La aku kuli foi ele apartment. Le ai se tupe. Ia. Na tangi ala I na ia. O vai atu. E fialo rent le fale. Le apartment. Mai kolu masinga la o waile la kukuri kanglo stama faali mai a o le eviction notice le. Ia. O fa kwe fia me le rent ai o lo ai ka la fule le shop le. Ia e fai mai e fa afe to tisi ha lima afe. Ia o fa tu lo la ia. Ba ai te loa. O le aso nei. Wa o mai il fa o tanga le atua ia te oi. A wina mai le atua ia. La o totongi au pili. Totongi lo apartment. Totongi o te lema na o e lusi lo shop. La o totongi So I'm explaining to them, you know, how sad you were and you cried, you know, you couldn't make it. You owed so much for your rent at the shop. Also, you owe so much your rent and you had shown me the eviction notice. And so when I was talking to him, a guy, a security guard, came over with the eviction notice. So I took the eviction notice. I said, "Don't worry about it. I will pay it." And so he left, and then
She's an angel.
so he cried and he said, "Oh wow, you're an angel." Oh, and then he kept
She
crying
is.
and crying and crying.
I'm so blessed to have her.
Yeah, and I said, "Guess what? Salvation of God came to you today. God sent me to you. And because God sent me to you, I am going to choose you as my fashion designer. So from here on forward, you need to make my clothes beautiful than all those celebrities and all those movie stars because they took off. They didn't help you, but God sent me here. Ya ko angala ia faya wofu. Yeah, so I'm telling them how difficult it was when I found him. Eviction le apartment, eviction man of why, eviction in the shop. But God blessed me with money. I saved him and his shop. He
And I'm
kept
here
crying.
thanks to her.
Sorry?
And I'm here thanks to you.
Oh, he's here. He said he's here and he thanked me. Yes. Me umau, ele ngatai, ele Samoa. Ayo o Mexico. Le whaalatanga. E tau mai e ia tātou. E leo Samoa e alofa i le atua. E alofa le atua I tangata loto mamomo. Tangata mativa. Tangata ua le eise mea tango tuai. Tango lima tuai. Ai ai tangata le atua. A wina le atua. Ia mau e whaotanga. Yeah, right now he's updated. Right?
Yes.
He's updated. Fia. So se mea lau te whai atu ai. Jump for joy. I'm saying anything I ask you or want you to do, you jump for joy. Yaya pole tasi na waru fa yaya fai. Ya nga tu o yala ia. Au te latu e piki mai. Lusi mala ulu. Ese nga I ese. But I don't blame him langa. Or the first time they're trying. Aye pole kasi. But then, practice makes it perfect. And so right now, oh my gosh, I just didn't want to wear my posasi because I save it for church. But I wear this because I have a whole lot. And I thank God, praise God, because not only that God blessed him with me, vice versa. He blessed me. And now he's going to bless you. If you need anything to order,
Yes.
communicate with him.
Somebody
Okay?
asking how much to charge.
How much you charge, it all depends on your size.
The style.
It all depends on the style. Yeah, yeah, this style, and like well, this movie style. Man na o if I send an offer for a mermaid. E sa ule si va to love sa wa halu lunga I. Yeah, va ai. Ya halu foi la e movie star show absolutely. Mermaid dress ya li foi lunga I le si. Wa o for ya. He can do, she can do any style. As far as the price is concerned, it depends on the style, depends on the material, how much material, and it depends if you buy the material, there would be a discount. But don't worry. I'm a I will take care of you. Okay, I just want you to look beautiful. Okay, ya tufa tu Manuia America ya utoi sabai Manua tutuila ya o New Zealand tufa tu ya Manuia momeo style. Upgrade your life with beauty.
I design from head to toe. I design the hats, the dress. I do accessories also.
Serious.
I have someone needs to style a puletasi, the one that the Samoan fashion apparel for July 14th. So there's plenty of time, Tasi. There's plenty of time. You can just either he decide, just tell him your color.
As I told you, you can contact me on my Instagram. Sarmy Reyes, send me a message and
Do you have your own material?
A whole bunch of material.
She can pick her own material.
It's better if you,
I can pick myself the material.
Yeah, just tell him if you want a shiny, like me, I always want shiny stuff. So just tell him, I'm not say ofu ila no lo faya, manao so shiny stuff, manao fa pele u, manao fa pele lima. So say me tala norma o lua. I finally he will do his best for you, Tasi.
I will.
I know you have an occasion coming up, celebration. I want you, Tasi, to look your best, and you're gonna look beautiful.
Yeah, I do red carpets. I do ready to wear weddings. Any kind of style. You just ask for it, and I will make you happy.
Yeah, ole, I'm pretty sure umay nai tato interview le sunganay. Sarmy Reyes. Okay. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Looking forward to have you and I guess for one day.
Okay. Samoa. Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, you're welcome. Contact the pastor, the boss here, and he will. Oh, we have a Polly Holly fashion o inala every day by Asole amata by Asole la yaimato advertisement Polly Holly Polynesian Hollywood fashion style ya o yele pule ya our manager yai. And don't worry, also umanai savai upolo manua tutuila apa pele lavalo fastupe. Oh, it's a popole. I will take care of you. I will pay half, you pay half. I send that to my overnight express so you can have that dress quickly. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah. May God tremendously bless you. Yeah, there's a question for you.
Ohana, can you contact me on my Instagram as a Sarmy Reyes, and we can talk about prices and material?
She's from Australia.
Ohana Ainga Semi. He said, let me ask, please, for a simple and a plain politasi, how much will that cost? It's a simple, plain politasi.
With the
It's a simple, plain politasi. Remember those politasi you made? And I told you, I don't want to wear that on a TV, on a show. I want to wear that to church, that kind of plain. All depends on the material. Oh, I feel suave. Ohana, all depends on the material. I for inale o politasi epe.
Anybody wants to talk about prices, can you send me a private message on my Instagram as a Sarmy Reyes, and we can talk about prices?
So Manuia pe a po I lava mana faisana oka contact mai I
Sarmy.
no I Fintana through you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Crystal.
Contact my manager. I'm saying if they want anything to order anything from you or through you,
Yeah, sure.
contact me. I'm the manager. You collect the money, and I even help the money. Okay. Like he said, on Instagram, advertising Instagram, Facebook, and what else you have?
TikTok.
TikTok. Yeah. So communicate with him.
Just check out my videos every day and follow my Instagram.
He said follow his Instagram every day and check it every day, and you'll see different styles, and then you communicate with him from there. Because the time limited, we need to move on and have another special guest, my second special guest. I say, tell my sato pese pa mole.
Yeah, faisilu siva an.
Yeah, say, vaya tu se ma siva mal fafafinga le. Ka mas ka ko pese Mexico fa mole pule. Yeah.
Me va la vida, me va la gente, la equidad. Me va la fiesta, la mano clara, me va el cantar, me va el color, si es natural. Me va, me va, me va, me va, me va. Me van amigos de tal caminos, me va, me va. Soñar contigo, hacer caminos para cantar. Me va el amor de verdad. Now my friends, let me sing. We can hear the music play. Dance with me and once again, oh my love, be my friend. Me va, me va, me va, me va. Me va la vida, me va la gente, la equidad. Me va la fiesta, la mano clara, me va el cantar, me va el color, si es el natural. Me va, me va, me va, me va, me va. Me van amigos de tal caminos, me va, me va. Soñar contigo, hacer caminos para cantar. Me va el amor de verdad. Everywhere, every way, we can hear the music play. Dance with me and once again, oh my love, be my friend. can hear the music played. Dance with me, and once again, know my love, be my friend. Me va, me va, me va, me va, me va la vida, me va la gente, la vida ya. Me va la vista, la mano grada, me va el cantar, me va el color, si es natural. Me va, me va, me va, me va, me va. Me va amigos, sentar caminos, me va, me va. Soñar contigo, hacer caminos para cantar. Me va el amor, de verdad. Me va, me va, me va, me va, me va. Me va la vida, me va la gente, la vida ya. Me va la vista, la mano grande, me va el cantar.
Thank you.
We are the only bulk apparel supplier that is 100% US based. Whether you're buying one piece or thousands, we're here to help. Visit shirtspace.com for all your great apparel needs.
Spaioa, solo uno wa, o sofo ilela, a o ita, maile maunga, to o manga. Tumua, telemotu, mafutanga. Pasolo maya, leolanga, ba ayalo la lele, teletama, via avea, oi faimose. Eletawai, lauba ai, tauna faisa omai, ealuaso, te iane wafuni tonight.
Greetings again to you all. Faapitoa ia tufoi tato Alfia. Oe mama moe la talata faaptai lava i le atua lo maua pe tau soifua ma loloina ma losi. E mata mai pem whaalongolongo atu. Whaalongolongo mai a mātou. Faapitoa tele lava support ina mātou au nanga. Au le taimi nei. O te fia introduce atu pe whawhiloa ia tufoi ia te oto. Lau second guest. And I would like to introduce to you, ladies and gentlemen, my second guest. My second guest is my beautiful daughter, Princess Ada Penina Jackson Allen. Eta, she is my third daughter, my youngest daughter, and she has 10 kids, 10 children. And so I brought her up here because she is a very strong woman, very dedicated, very loyal, very loving to her 10 children. And so that's why I brought her up here, invited her to be my special guest, to share her motherhood experience. Because taking care of 10 kids, it's not easy, especially taking care of her 10 kids all by herself. Her husband died. When did he die, baby? Okay, now this is Ada Penina Jackson Allen, my daughter, and has 10 kids, and she's going to go on from here. Carry on, baby. Yeah, okay. How old are you, baby?
Old enough.
Okay. You know, my kids, all my kids, they're over 30, 40. They all call me mommy. And their kids call them mom. Okay, so, ofo tangata always for oloa for mommy. I might like to see as a tomato. So, when did the father of kids, Pua Masui Allen, so my le itutuila. Oh, how did he die? And where did he die from?
2018.
Say louder.
2018.
Okay, now can you share your experience? How you maintain peace within the home with all these little children? How old is the oldest?
19.
19, and she just graduated from high school. And how old is the youngest?
6.
And the youngest is 6. So, baby, how you maintain peace among all these children? I know there's a lot of children. That's a lot of children. I have 5 of you. You have 5. I have 5 of you guys. It was a hectic. But 10, oh my gosh. Can you share your experience? So every mother out there who are single, who even have children, that many, can you share your experience how to maintain peace within a home? And even especially mealtime, you know, that's when the most rowdiest moment of the day in a family.
Well, first and foremost, I
Talk louder.
teach my kids about God first, and always make sure they put God first, and whatever they do, they all play sports and they go to school. So just teaching them about God, and then always having God first. So when they go outside home and they're around their friends and coaches, and they still have the teachings of God and the examples that they were taught about, being respectful, loving God, God coming first, and always worshiping. And without Him, nothing. They wouldn't be able to do what they do now, and what they have today. So just always instilling God in everything that they do, and always reminding them never to take anything for granted. Being blessed with everything they have, and basically that's about it. And pretty much that's how we keep the peace most of the time. It's not peaceful, but just working towards just teaching them about God um, every day, um, praying every day, worshiping every day, with me or without me. Sometimes I'm not home, so they do their worship on their own, and when I'm there, then we do it together as a family. But always God first, and just treating others with respect and treating others as they would want to be treated, and then that goes from there.
Yeah, sometimes you could be very busy with the other part of the children with tournaments, volleyball, basketball, but then she will miss the worship at home. But her children, whoever's at home, they are so that they remember, they love Jesus so much. They are so well disciplined. If I lako lako loku, whoever's the oldest, he or she will call all the kids are at home at that time. Oh my, the worship time, worship time. Because when mommy comes home and she's gonna ask, did you guys do local? Okay, who missed? Oh, everybody was here, mommy, because they know they don't want to get the belt. So that's very good. That's what we value. Teaching godliness, teaching Jesus and God in our home. Okay, my question is, baby, for you. How you maintain your beautiful self, so getting so busy with all these kids and you still look like a model?
Well, yeah, I tell my kids every day, like, I need mommy time. And the only time I can get mommy time is about 4 o'clock in the morning. I go to the gym for about an hour and a half to 2 hours just to get my thoughts together, think about what's for dinner that day, who has a game, who has practice, um, prepare myself for the day. And also that gives me energy. And without me working out in the morning, I always tell my kids I would be a grumpy mom. So that is pretty much what I do in the morning to get my energy for the rest of the day.
Okay. Also, how I had this question. How you maintain the rules? Do they keep the rules? Do you have rules?
Yeah, I think every
I always
home
hear
has
you
rules.
say 1, 2, 3, and then I saw all the kids grumbling around, grumbling around, trying to get to their place as you expected them to. What are your rules to keep the kids maintain your rules?
Well, yeah, I do a countdown. Ever since my firstborn was born, I would count 1, 2, and normally before you get 3, they would do what they're asked to do. And as they got older, and as there's more children in the household, um, you know, sometimes I am far and they can't hear me. So then I just use my fingers, so I go, you know, and then before I get to 3, then they know what to do. But now that there's 10, and it gets really crazy at times, I just skip 1 and I just go to 2, and that's it. Because the countdown is it's just gotten shorter for me because there's just so many of them right now. So I skip 1 and I just go straight to 2.
Okay. I see the kids are very healthy and very active. How many pots do you use to cook for the kids? 2, 3? Because 10 kids, especially now they gotten older. That's a lot of food, a lot of kids. How you cook the food to feed all these 10 kids?
Well, yeah, I have big pots, but then on busy days, which is pretty much a lot of days out the week, I use my crock pot or crock pots, depending on what I'm making for dinner. But yeah, preparing the food and is one task, and also depending on what I'm doing that day, whether it's gonna be when I'm able to cook a full meal or I'm gonna warm something in the oven, depending on what activities I have that day.
Do you take naps in the afternoon?
I do. I try to get in a 15-20 minute nap Whether it's I'm picking up my kids 20 minutes early, I use that to my advantage, and I would sleep in the car and wait because that 20 minutes seems the same as a 2-hour nap to me. So as much as possible, I try to get a 10, 20-minute nap in. Yes.
So I know you wake up early in the morning to go to work. My daughter works full time and also have kids to take care, and also after work she goes and get herself involved with sports. How you get to manage your time and energy in through all these activities daily?
Well, I'm like I tell my kids, there's 10 of them and one of me, so we all 10 of them have to share one mom. So therefore, there are going to be times where I am not able to make their games or their tournaments, so I try to split the time amongst all of them because all 10 of them are in sports. And I am just thankful and blessed to have my brothers and my sisters there to help me with taking them to practice, picking them up, because sometimes they'll be in Corona, to Carson, to Seal Beach, to all over Orange County and LA County. So I can't do that on my own. So my family comes in, and they really play a big part in helping me getting to and from their practices and games, and also my husband, Aunt, Fingy at home. While I'm doing all the traveling, I feel like I'm doing Uber and not getting paid, but she's at home watching all the kids, the ones that are at home.
It was unbearable when her husband passed. He died of cancer. And so it was a horrible moment in my life, in our lives, and especially the children. And then I saw my daughter raising the kids all by herself, waking up early in the morning. How early you wake up all the time, every day, to go to work?
4 o'clock, 3:30.
Yeah, she wakes up 4 o'clock. But then before she wakes at 4 o'clock, she always prepare breakfast for the kids. And then after work, she will rush from, because the school is far away kind of distance, and they all go different school, high school, junior high, and elementary. So she's playing a big task, and yes, she is right. I have sons and I have daughters. They are like their dad, the kids, and they play that role. And she has sisters, my daughters, they also help her. So I felt so deep compassion for her. I said, baby, say ngofo ia kausika maiki. Stay home and take care of the kids. How can you able to do all these things and only you one person? I found my show kama, mommy, I'm not gonna live on welfare. I'm not gonna live off food stamps. I can make it on my own. And so I thank God for my daughter has a strong heart, strong love for her kids. And she always, maybe 5 or 6 times she flies. She takes flights to Hawaii, Vegas, when's the last state? Ohio?
Florida.
Florida. She will go everywhere to take her children, the ones who are involved in sports. And the little kids, they stay home. So she also does all that. Fly here, fly there, again, all these kids. I praise the Lord. I pray every single day for my daughter so she can have the strength to serve the Lord. And I always encouraging her, make sure you teach the kids about God and Jesus, because there's a saying, if you don't teach your kids about our God, the world will teach your kids, our kids, about their God. So what if another, like Aikupiko, like Isapulakawakua? So if they mingle with our kids in high school and junior high, I mawa the foundation na tatafa now ilifale. Evave lava na o mafamosulemu I maoi. So baby, I thank you very much for having the courage, be strong enough to teach the kids. And thank you very much for put your trust in the Lord. Lean on to the Lord for strength, for wisdom, and for knowledge. And continue to have that burning love in you to love your children. Love me. I also help. I help in many ways. But thank you very much. Look over here, see if there's anyone with any questions.
Oh, I have another thing I wanted to mention.
Okay.
When like I mentioned, my kids are all in sports and they get very excited, from track to football to flag football to volleyball, beach volleyball, indoor volleyball, and they put 100%, into what they do. So I always remind them, and I get on their case when it's time to worship. They got to keep that same energy. They're out there screaming and hollering and all that stuff, but then sometimes when we worship, they're tired and they're singing, they're mumbling, or they're whispering. So I always teach them, you know what, God's watching. And he saw you cheering, you lost your voice because you're cheering at the game, but now it's time to praise him, and now you're mumbling or you're whispering. You got to keep that same energy because it's God that gave you that voice to yell and scream. So I always, try to implement that into their lives, especially when we do worship. Yeah, I am Samoan. My mom is Samoan. Her dad is Partesian, and my dad is from Arkansas. He's black. So yes, I am half Samoan and half black.
African American.
African American, yes.
Okay, last, what is your best advice, baby, to all the young mothers out there who are single with children? What's your best advice for them? And also mothers with children and with husbands. I'm talking about single, particularly single women, because I know it's hard to raise kids all by themselves. What can you share your experience and strengthen, and what advice you give them?
Just rely on God. That you're gonna. I've been through a lot of struggles and challenges, and it all goes back to turning to God. Having faith in God, and just putting Him first, and just being very patient, especially with a lot of kids, being very, very patient. Sometimes I do run out of patience, and I ask for God for more patience, but at the end of the day, just turning to God, and just knowing that there is, pray that there will be another day and another better day. And just, try to stay strong and keep moving forward. As a mother, you just do what you got to do, to keep your kids happy, keep your kids safe, and, that's what us mothers are here for, right?
Yes.
Just do what you got to do.
Okay, is there any question before we close this section out?
I have a question.
Okay. The boss has a question.
Do you think your kids, your million kids, need a father figure in their lives? If they do so, do you think of looking for another man?
You understand what he's saying?
I do think, I had a father in my life, and I still do. So I can't imagine me not having a father in my life. I think they do. I think their lives would be better if they did have a father in their life, but nobody can replace their dad. So I think, I don't know, God, there's reasons for everything, and, I just feel that I think they're in a good place, and I think God is their father, and God will provide.
Thank you, baby. I always say, baby, you're so beautiful and young. You need to look for a boyfriend. and bring someone to be the father of the kids. But she's saying, no, mommy. I stay single forever until my last baby graduates. So that means you're gonna be single the rest of your life and take care of the kids, but you need somebody to have fun with and and share romantic moments with, like going to the beach and going to a restaurant. But I don't see that happening to you. You don't want a boyfriend no more or at all?
It's good your baby Etta doesn't follow your footsteps.
Yes. No,
No, she's
they're
way
Just
opposite.
kidding.
She's way opposite. She does not want a boyfriend. Her boyfriend, she said, my boyfriend, my husbands, my
Oh.
best friends are my sons.
And I just want to add on to that. I think when my husband passed away, I think that was well, me and my kids as a family, we became closer to God. You know, we our goal is to make it to heaven, so we can
Amen.
see my husband, and they're able to see their father again. So, and that's what, I talk to them about their dad all the time. And I mentioned, you have to do right, in the eyes of God. You want to see your dad again? This is how we got to do it. And this is what we got to do. So that is our motivation, to serve God. And at the end, we will be in heaven and we'll see him again.
Yeah, whaptai lava tui le epa mo lau comment. Ese maua le chau tama le. E na whaipoipo lava o lana first boyfriend lava le high school. Whaipoipo loa malanto o lua e sau mai pau o mai I Hawaii. Yeah, sau loa la ia became a supervisor and then he hired her. Now o maliu and now she's a supervisor. I tameti ia o le ku'uwio e ave for a lunch, for a movie. Very easy, good job. Or rely ya si compañero ku'uwio.
Oh, and I have another thing to add. As your question as a father figure, I feel like I don't really need a companion to have that father figure, because I do have I'm blessed with two brothers that are able to do pretty much what their dad did. So they're able to look up to them as a father, and my brothers are able to be there for them and to support them and to do the things that I'm not able to do. As
I
my
think
husband.
you're doing the right decision making.
Yeah, so they do have a father figure in their life, and that's my brother Fatu and my brother Henry.
Because you don't know if the next one will love your kids.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. And my husband left the bar really high where no one can reach, so I'm good.
Yo, so tame e se mamawa ma ua e se apa te tangata taito tasi. O so tama lea first boyfriend ia lai o maliwa o le first boyfriend le tamana e fai se ia to alua. Au na te boy se au lato tama. Ia alo lo la koa ia vai. Ia o mea uma mai lea tua, and God allow things to be happen. And it happened for good reasons, okay? Anale divorce aule tamasha fanaulea. Ele lolotu. Ele tololotu asofitu. Ele lolotu lava. Nana manao ya lautolua. E ave mātou e no fe tuai steke lale e la ko whanua e free le life, e free rent. Ia a whai atu au lautina, mama and daddy. O mga o ia weire ave am ka meki o la ngu Arkansas. E au leanga ia pongi sa. Ia a wha mai lau kama. E kia I la ia mea uri. E la ave fua o mga meki. E ke vai ia longa I ke le koe loku. Ia whaalonga mai e kele ko lua maua. Ai kasi alo ka mai ke ola ia o aluloa. Ia me ana na whai. Ai sa ole lei lava. God allow things to happen for a reason. Wanga ave ma koe lunga. Ia lei loi nei tameti Yesu. O la minko ia male laulangi ia whaasala mausau, ele maua fo iau. But because Reyes lava e au siau whanau o la ititi lava. Ia, le ole whaale, ole lotu, ole atua, le lau whana nau maita meiti. A lato, ia le mea fo i tasi, le fo i o mena o a o e au tina. La fo i a o i lato, ole lotu pena o tau whaafafonga mai. Ole atua e whaamoa mo i tonu lona a ingam lan whanau. Okay, baby. Thank you very much for your time and for sharing. So, thank you for being there for the kids, and thank you for educating. I hope and I pray that some of you mothers will learn from my daughter, will be motivated, be strengthened, because if she could do it, and so you can too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Latu tato break. Lela aharu kako la aru kako last fight. Yeah.
Wamavae atu aso lele moa'u Mafuta raua e tuila ufatu Masani mameana wiloaina Sasiliona o eva ile masina Seulo upaloma ualayona toela ona Ilo una watu ile la lele yo fofoga Na omea tima Na etalia ita Se fumala au ita wa mamae ilena Oe ole rosa pua ina le manoni Leiti o fo ile sa fa'amalosi Wa'avea le mana'o mameale ana Watamawalunga lo talema lama Seulo upaloma ualayona toela ona Ilo una watu ile la lele yo fofoga Na omea tima Na etalia ita Se fumala au ita wa mamae ilena Seulo upaloma ualayona toela ona Ilo una watu ile la lele yo fofoga Na omea tina Na etalia ita Se fumala au ita wa mamae ilena
Fatalo fa'atu, ia tato proclaim again. Thank you very much for having patience to continue watching us in our program for tonight. Ole te minei, ole aoa tulota to ile series 2. Remember last week, sa amata ile series 1. Ole series lea, o misiona o mentu tupu ya te au, mea na uia, alo lea tua na uia, God's path that he designated for me when his will was for me o wina le Leatuivaoali'i Arkansas. Ia la tō matamata ma tō whaafofonga mai ai. I mea na tutupe on Arkansas. Mai mafuaanga ma na o ai Yehova au e alo i Arkansas. Yeah. Ole say to briefly touch up with last week. Paatolu na pamaili tamai langi ia o muli muli ila na auna. Ia 1, 2, 3 times so te le'i muli muli ai. Ia velo loa ole fale pui pui. Ia ole teimila nei ole fale pui pui le wo o ai nei tātou. Pena whai atu vai aso lea na ave ole fale pui pui. Ia fesilingi au pe te fia ole fale pui pui mo fitu aso pe te tongi le iwa se lau. Awa o ole na wale lau wha misiona na wina i le tua au i upolu sa vai ma tutu ila manua. Ia wa usau loa le sa unga luenga. O whai atu loa judge e sili lo walu le fale pui pui. E kuli ai aso i e fitu. La le sa ukupe ko usau mai Samoa. Ia e le lei foi o fatu la i le judge. E le lei foi so wale fia matamata po le lifestyle a whawhine po tinai to tono whai pui pui. Ia, le la na o whai la ia Sarmy, lau fashion designer. Design my lava so offer whai pui pui. Present designs, present fashion, yeah. Thank you, Sarmy, for my present design, for my present dress and my hat. Se le poko yung e whawhawhinge. Anyways, walo nei la le whai pui pui. Ia au latu I lalo. Ia se mea o whaate ina ia au. Mo wanga leanga ia au e leo le whai pui pui. Ona wa number au ma gang lea Samoa I nei au le RSP, Royal Samoan People. Na te lea ma tupu tele malo se lea au kengi wokanga kai whai pui pui even now. O life for life ia. Ka meki o mako ainga, ka meki Samoa. Life for life. I whai pui pui ona o mea ia ole. Whasioki ka ngaka wa atu lava le Afia. Anyways, o latu le I lalo. Le ti oa aanga le anga me ingo sia awe. Au anga I e lunga. Wa avenga I lau I le sao. Lai lalo faa malu lu ole malu lu e pe pusa isa. Yo faa pea ia. Ai latu au I lalo ki kilo aku le wao. O lai tusi mai e le o last name. Lo faa iu. Aso'au. Ia o mea a gangi au I kokongu wa whale pui pui ngai. Lengi me whai ai kusi I forma lo last name. Wa ingo sia I forma. Ia faa pea la I o leo. She's one of them. O ka ika ka wha alongo aku. Because I am not one of them. E leo o au se kang banger. I'm a missionary to ufoi mai Samoa. E o tuangane o ninga ma raninga ngai operation ia ma kauwalea kwa ma kua mau. Ia o au lava ole angelu. Mato ainga o mateo e whai loa se misa. Po se pāki o whamarau tina. Ia shautama. Alua mai le pulumu. Aka o aku loa. Malo walua po loka mai le sei le waya o le musika. E so kawe pa ku uma. A wai ai whawhine. Tele o whawhine. Ka sengi whawhine oka. Ia e mua la e sua e au le poloka. Ia lau ki ngā. Kim. Wa makamfongo. Ei, oi, lesa, oi. Ia fasi. Ia anyways. Wa pasi la ia taimi. Wo nei la lau kengi ko kongu pale pui. Ia ngā lai lengi me whai a kusi solo lau last name Aso'au. Wa luatu nei la au le missionary. I lawa ingo sia I forma. I was numbered together with the criminals. Trespassers. Ia, o walo lai tuton. Le la o il fal pui. Wa ave nei la o le fal pui e whawhine. Ia. O la tuton tasi lava la ulu atu ai to alima ia whawhine leo na ave ina 5 women sheriff who led me and took me inside the women's cell. E tala mai lol fai tutoa. Ai fai mai uma whawhine. Wa vai papea le wall o moenga o vai le sima mai to the ghetto. to the ghetto. Papenga. So waka fefea sole. Wa wo se me papea. Pamai ave ole ghetto. Ole ghetto la ole section C. Ole awanga section B. O I drugs. La awanga section A. Ngā whawhinge la popo ai kai kolu se lau le wha se lau ia ponga o la koe sifi e kokongo I whale pui pui. Ala le na whai ato e lau whesiri. Po wā, nya o wanga, what were my actions, reactions, to tono whai pui pui, pēna o tangi lau le blankeke mo pala ai, pēnga o whai kaure kuspa ia ma la unga kula ko wa o le missionary, pēnga o wale whai fosu. You know, awai a whaina tātou manua, tātou Samoa. Musu te tātou e to I lalo, ai. I seisia kongu. Yeah, anyways, mea na whawai tātou I Leatua. Samoa e tasi a Samoa, tasi le loto e ao, uma Samoa e whai. Yeah, ole, ole mea la na o. Wa lo o moe, wa olai, and take it over le whaalonga mai so tama le loenga ia le men tupu le loenga ia nga wal fal pui pui. Yeah, anyways, na wala I lower bunker. The upper bunker was a Korean girl. Ke le moenga lau ghetto. Lau ghetto umale wa ave lau ghetto. So, eila wa mata ma observe. I nei potu nei tina. E pa a ai ale tu le si ghetto e ka o si section ale tu le ole pi pe ola to e ni au ona fo angale e fai fato nunga la bangale le e fa fina la popo ai e la o ba ai e min lava ma fainga o la popo ai ya the ghetto section ai au umaya male au vaanga ia ghetto le section B. Wai pa ai, you know. Yeah. O moe loa. Ai pai tau wala le tuspa ia teina le lunga ko lea. Te I lava wa mai le la po ale o. Ma mai ka pele moli, turn off the light. Ia a whai ngai la I kala I kokongo le whale pui pui. Se a mata le F, the S, SOB, all the names in the book, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Ia I ole nganga I whawhinge ngai e pe ia le movies ole. Ia la ka ke whai kaua ka ika la kuspa ia. A whai kau ngai la kuspa ia. E kau e kele ma whainga ko kuli langa au ko kule kau la ulu le panke la I lunga wa. O ke alu lola off my bed. Whai la mako kuli au ia kele kia po ai a amu mai. Mi whala e au lo plankeke. E whai mau veli. Ia hakile ko mai whawhinge la ia. Au kele kia anga le pau lava. Leatua, Daddy Lord God Almighty, please get me out of here. I am so sorry. I did not listen to you. Please get me out of here. Ia. Ele ke au ia pe ke kangi pe a. Ia la le aso. E vai whai kau lava e au aso. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O le fifth day la, wa whai kau e le teine le lungo au le tusi. Ai mai au la popoa. Hey! Blah, blah, blah. A, 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C. Turn on the light, blah, blah, blah. Ya, ai le kea lava le kenge le lai. E whai kau wale kus. Ke ia, wa mai la fasing e moi. E kasi ya, lo si kenge la, ko lea ilunga mai. Mom! Please come get me. Mom, please come get me. Ya wale au ngā le kangi. Awai, anga leo la vale le al kokongo I ngai fale. Ya le la wai loa ngā le anga o le alo fal pui pui. Jail is it's not a place for any woman or any lady. Not even anybody in this world. Anyways, wa kangi le Mexico, wa kangi ko le. Kangi male Mexico la le section ava le. Ya wa pisa le me wa kili pisa wa papa salapu mai tulo lava. Ya o ala wa pisa ya ke ya wa fa ya kulo Whai mai lor ka ngaka whaapea mai le si uleo. Wake up, Crystal. Ka Crystal. Ia, ar teina la lai lunga o au, o le kōlea. Ua pūnau mai lau le ulu wha mai, Crystal, Crystal, please help. Ia, o Mexico wha ilanga kangi mai I lisi moenga wha mai, wake up, Crystal, wake up, please help. Au ia lau, you know, kele I pala ai ho kango, ofi uma, I cover my face, mala kuspa ia, ile plangake, you know, au wa ulema whainga o moe, ile ngai wa vinga mai lea, wake her up, Crystal, Crystal mai I, ai ke ngā la lea wa walo e lau loko, wa whaapea mai lalo moenga, Crystal, please, Crystal, yeah, ko ke loa la, lai e puloa plangake, ngā lau kangoa kwa lau plangake, whaapea lau kalunga plangake. Alu whaapea lau plangake. Kasi alo e. Shut! The 1, 2, 3, A, B, Z. O kele mga kaua ko le lau. Shut! Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Ab ese lo mau se vai. Ele lo e lau vaianga ia. Wow, o le Samoa. Ele lo e lau vaianga ia. O lo ingo Leatuivaoali'i e sau ma leanga lei o. Ele lo e lau vaianga ia. E tolu e utu. Ele lo e lau vaianga ia. O au le missionary. Ai a lusi lola ulu wen sama stepa mai tau. Ia sidi lokus pa ia kalinga. Ia o utu lo I lunga. Sabali aku loa. O sabali aku wa wita lava ai le fa umatu la o le la latu speciali o le speciali o le fa ilonga speciali kasi se lau lua se lau tolu se lau. Baby, can you come and hold? Okay, ole tolu se lau le e maua e oe lel a mua mai lava le tali. I ele continue on any further. Ole tama matua e iwa se fulu tausanga. Na ma lo le va yaso lea. Sa wha mea alofa ele litio. Si upongo Samoa. Si upongo tai au fo Samoa. Le tolu se lau. However, fa manuia le atua, fa manuia tele atulava le atua ya te oe tama. Oe tama lea, oe tama si maitai lea, po tamaitai lea, o Tasi Smith. O e a inga i po ia o te leilo inga, wal lava, mana ia po liki o i loa i a inga, connect ai oi mau a inga I utala noa e po e a inga maua o maun mau e ave mata momoli ia I le peife au le o peka ana walu la ave le tau po. Anyways, ole toi ina lea e iwa se pulu tau sanga wa manu malo o ia vai aso le tol se lau ai pei tai na mata la noa matasi bala au mai tasi le pule le Afioga Aso'au fai mai, wa malia alo tama ile me alofa whaptaitele atulava, le amana ia mai o au. Ai o te manao, o te whai me alofa, ile tato le tio, le tolu se lau. O whaatula ia le uso, are you sure? Pa mai, I'm sure, Crystal. O mana onga ngā lo tama. O lea la, o le ata atu le pese le whapitaite, le atulava ia oe sama, ile mea alofa e tolu se lau, ua wha mea alofa mai lau Afioga, lau sunga mai a inga, a me se foi oe le uso ia Tasi Smith, ile mato au nanga. Ia wha Manuia Tele atulava le atua ia oe dad, ia wha atulu ima, wha Manuia Tele mo sana, multiply years, mo lo soifua. Ia sao stato pese, pa o le pese nei ma te alo aua lofa tuai i le tamā ia tasi Smith.
Say goodbye, Joe, me gotta go, me oh my oh. Goodbye, Joe, I'm gonna be road down the bayou. Oh, my Eve on the sweetest one, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Oh, jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my Sarmy, oh. Big guitar filled for joy and big ale. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bow. So we are Afiafi and te mi Manuia. If I know mo, fa vela I pese maia. Oh, matata pe mai la million na ualava. Una sawia ta Faatofa uala malea. Afia tele se pata oloa matata. Itau si pele le olona ma Faafofoga'aga. Sao pe yo se meo te fai mo oe. Tele pisu papau na patapai a telefo imamo. Oh, jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my Sarmy, oh, big guitar filled for joy and big ale. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. So we are Afiafi and te mi Manuia. Whaangalo umau, whaala vela vea pese maia. E matata pe mai la ala million na ualava. E puna sa uia ta Faatofa ualava lea. E fia tele se pata ualoa e matata. E tau si pele le olona va I Faafofoga'aga. Sa olo pe yo se meo te fai mo oe. Wa televisu papau na patapai a telefo imamo. Oh, jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. Oh, 'cause tonight I'm gonna see my Sarmy, oh, big guitar filled for joy and big ale. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Here we go. Oh, jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my Sarmy, oh. Big guitar filled for joy and big ale. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou.
Mato Faafia na tuna mato pese Faapitoa e Faapitoa tuai I le tama steina no tasi. Ole temi nei e se fela pulo. La ratu tata fasili. Oi fasili. Lo fa la tolu se lau tangata mo mo fasili ma e lo se fasili fangata. Watato loina le lionga. He's the beast of the jungle. Le ai se manu e mawhaia le ma losi leo o le liona. Besides the heavenly beings, e tasi le mea be tasi tangata foi, be tasi foi le figure, e nate mawhaia o na fasi le liona without a battle. I mean, le pusu ma le liona, le alo ofa yatu, besides the heavenly beings, besides God, Jesus, and the angels, I'm talking about I nei la le tatena foi. E yai le mea, be yai le tangata, be tasi e le figure, nata mawhaia na fasi le liona. Ia la atu la tato pule, la fionga sua la tame tato pese, ai sau le ato tali. O malole pese, o malo foi, o le tali muli, o le tali mai sei, tali pese. Awa e tali mai nei, ia ele kaulia. A oma foi lale pese, o koi kali mai ele kaulia. Within the limit, within the music, o malole musika, ia uma foi tato no, tai.
Feel le tala le le Sao ai nei All in the four I feel le tala le le Sao ai nei Hallelujah All in the four I feel le tala le le Sao ai nei Sao ai nei Ele alo ai se tangata fire
Uma foi martatu pese, mo tari u mai ana o mai tu sa martari lena o mai ia tau Leatuivaoali'i. Le ai ma se tari, o le tari lena o mai e tamaitai, o le coast, o le aitu. Ia e le ai ma se tari e tesi o tātou o lata iai, Ma whaalwalo.
Ia, whautai tele atu lava e tam whai mai. O le tala mo I lava lea. Ele ai se manu na te mawhaia le liona. A wao le liona is a beast of the jungle. Tasi lava me e whewhe le liona. Without any battle. O lea itu. Wa ai lo le liona, po le ale fe ai fe liona, e wa ai lo le liona I lea iku osa I, e ke ia, mi mingi si liona. O lea iku.
Le a koe whaapopo la le meo le vai aso le a wado le
La
mau.
toi whaapopo le mea, I le vai aso lea, lo anu e tauna tolu se lau, nei, tolu se lau vai aso, o ana se lau. Ia, o lea itu. La toi fo I tātou, ile story mea na whao, mea na au mai e au le tali o le whesili lea. Na create mai e au le tali o le whesili lea. Ia, wa luatu nei la. O sa vali o I whawhine nei. Tau te loa. O I ngā oso e lau aiku. I oe, ngā oso e lau iku a iku. O whapea. E lei loa e ka mai ka e ngei pa lange ngei. O wau lo e ngoe sau mai le anga lale e iai e iku.
O le iku Samoa.
Wau le iku Samoa. E lei loa. E oe manua e mato a inga lei loa. Kai loa ngei au whamakala lo ngoe sau mai o le anga lei o. Kaka e sau mai ngā wanga o au I'm the one of the kind. Whae ngoe le nganga leo. So au la muli ai uma itu. Le ngata e muli le atua ia au au whapea ina le atua o le toi ina o le mato e karesi o whao au le nganga pa ia. Ia ai whailo I tua itu. Ia. O savali atu nei la. O savali atu ai lena o se vai. Na lo wa luatu wa le moenga le ia. Whawhinga la poa le ilunga, whawhinga la poa le ilalo. Ngā le wa le moenga. Push. Push up, kau le wao. Ia, o wa luatu loa I le kengela le ma lose alonga leo. Ngā wa remember wa fefe. O la koli onga la wa fefe mai la wa laku la waiku. A laku wa fefe wa mawhaia o ngā si le moenga. You know, e ngā aso kau sa mai Samoa. O lo pa e se lau tolu lima iau paunga. La I titi au la malosi le ai lau pele o mku kama vegetarian ai kamako yo ioi ia rawa usama malosi ai la titi ai to te lo aina o le ale velo au le atua o tono le fale pui na iai lava le au le atua ia na iai le au malosi le atua ia o le atua na fa manuia ia malosi peo fa manuia le atua ia ai foi Samasoni. Tasi lava le ua Samasoni, you know. Ia o la tua o wale moenga, pe o le pepa le moenga. Ku lei whapea. Ngai ngami mingi si au lionga ia. Beast. Awa lua kua o wale ulo le whawhinga pālangi le a lai moe whapea le moenga ua whewhea whapea. Ia o la kua o le ulu. Whapea nga. You think you're bad? Huh? You think? Who the hell you think you're? Yeah, o kanga kua le moenga la le isi moenga le foi whinga la pupa. Ngā le le moenga le one end, ngā le push, o kele isi inga, mamafa kere ia whawhinge. Ngā la o kanga push. Ia walu, o kai a kole isi moenga. Ia o la koloa o whakolo la I whapea. Come on. Come on. Step on the plate. Come on. You think you're bad? Come on. Nobody mess with me. I'm Samoan. You. Come on. Come on. Step on the plate right now. I'm going to tear you both up. Okay, Lola. Le se si saufa. Le se si ale la popo awa uma yo uma ya nguku pala vale va ale va auto. Well feel like what? Come on. Come on. Come on. Step on the plate. Step on the plate. Wah, leo lunga. Ya, wa wika kili. E fa ya kwa le mi ngoi mai. E ya le lau. Mo me wooden table. E ya ngofoi o, ya ngofoi. E fa ngala kenge ya. Wale kele o kenge nga. Ladies, o pa mo muku batua prostitute. Ya masanya la ko ngoi I lengo lau le. E fa la ko make up. Fa aulele. Ya le lau wale se ngofoi. Wale o mai au lionga I fafo. E kau malo iku. Au la kuala ia le table there. Si ia longa le table fa pe. Si ia longa le table fa pe. Kongi fa pe. La kuala o kele kongi la mo yang kele kon ke wo. Se ke wo kai se si oki ia nga ki le ria lo pe pui. E wo kango wo kongi a pele wo. Fiki mai la lo le table wo me fa pe. Ke una vea le table. Ya. Au kango kua a mai le table. Kasa mai lava le table. Alu le wale. O lala I lunga le TV. Le wale. O la kua. Kasa mai ale si. Kasa papea. O a lunga le mele ngofoi. A lunga. Malo le kiwi papea. Mo fa yaku le vanga ya fa kalingi. O la fa sho kiangi o ko. You know, I'm gonna kill you. SOB, you know, mahalo. Maluluwange kiwi. Ang paumay kiwi for ya. Lulo la wika again. Ke ya wa paste mai fa kokoa. O fa finge leo marshal ngango mai ko kongo drew their guns. Hold it. Get the hell down there. What are you doing up there? Slow. Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now. Slowly come right down, climb down. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Yo, kele mga fanga leo kele fa balbali. Ya, pola lo fa ali ya la kawang uska ke woki ko nga. Ya. Ai loa ya au la ia le lo fo le to ya ele fanga la fa pe fa me me le slow down easy slow down keep your hands up ya fa pe olim ya fa me le wa ngela wa ka lo la le flo fa me le ya okay slowly walk towards us with your hands up yeah walk towards us come on walk towards us. Walk towards us. Yeah, go get it, okay, let's walk towards us. Fabella walk. Ole like oh. I Fabella walk. Fabella walk. I walk backward. Leo. What the hell are you going? Where are you going? I told you to walk towards us. Remember, I was walking backward. If I walk towards us, I get backward. Yeah, I am not gonna walk on no damn floor, no damn cold floor. And I have no weapon, so you cannot shoot me. Yeah, okay. Go get your shoes. Yeah, I'll run your papia. Got your shoes, yeah. I'll papia your shoes. Yeah. Okay. You got your shoes. Walk towards us now. Yeah. O walk ala your papia. O la kuala ia. Ala papia mala ko fanga. But lo fa valvaleo ya leo. Elengi sa weapon. That's what I said. I have no weapons. You know. Let's have weapons. Na wala ngi mako weapon ko kung o ska mai pinge sulwe fa sa. Yeah, bakwala yo a we fa pela fa ko al mako sel. I right across fa ko al awanga ya ko lima. Well, alu loa vakuloa kokongu. My umala ko whangalau, they drop their guns. They drop their guns, but may sit down. Ia o ngofo le lalo o kui lalo o lima. Ai wha mai lau vaenga. Alu lole ko e. O whapea we. Kele me o drop, kau whanga ko kongu a leo ko e. O whai lolo pesili. Why are you guys laughing? What's so funny? A mai mea a le pule lea. But I camera zoom ia. E ke loa lua se fulu le lea me nguke. You were entertaining us. We didn't come in and stop until we saw you climb up that TV. Oh. But my you entertain us. Look at all this TV. If my o foi le sal ka malo loa. O la makamaka o mama ya leo le kong sai ko fu ma foi ala ko sal ma TV on the wall, on the ceiling. O faku. Yeah, so I felt relieved. I said, oh my gosh. What's so funny? Remember lai hot in a color maya ko kong yo ala wo so le ko e maya. E lo le ya e leo ya. Leo ya. O wa o Samoa. Le ya la last name Aso'au la lo yo le sao. Lo le ya e avanga ya. O wa o kuanga le o ninga le kan ke le ale Samoa RSP Royal Samoan people. Yeah. People feel friend maya avanga ya. Fa mai le kala le pule le. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. Give me her file. Ya lo se le my file. What are you doing? What brought you here? Yo faku. Misdemeanor. Because I had a ticket. I had a ticket, $25, and when I went to the islands as a mission, doing my missionary work, and I returned, it jumped sky to 900. So I told the judge, I'd rather come here so I can encounter the lifestyle here in women's jail, because I've never been in jail before. Yeah, this is what we're going to do. Either we transfer you up, le maunga le ye ma ko, wa ave ma ko le maunga ya falpui fa fingem kamalo lo. Yeah, we are going to either we transfer you back le merla animals. You talk about animals, you don't know that level of jail. Women, you're not going to survive if you act like that. But because your charges are misdemeanors, so we're going to let you go. We're going to talk to the judge tomorrow, and we're going to ask him to let you go home because it's just a misdemeanor. You know all these people? They're drug addicts, they're DUIs. From my uma, Yeah. Okay, Lola, I don't want to go there. I have 3 more days to get out of here. 2 more days. No, because we offer touch physically le finger la fa popo ma go we see us se pulu mani kol. Fa popo lo angale touch ya ule fa finger le langa ulo ma foki fa pe ma wika alo Yeah, la fa popo ya se pulu mani kol. This is what we're gonna do. Elo oi kuka. I'm Samoan. We cook for big families. Yeah, la ave oi find my lead chef. Yo, la le ave oi mela animals, wild more beasts. La ave oi find oi my lead. Iko ko le mukuka. Kai out. Yeah, ole mela na faya. O te usupo la vele fa. Male kru. E waku lako. E fai le kuka. E kuka. O lako le koko le mukuka. O ka se ulo. Kuai ke lenge ulo e alo whapea. Ke le vaengi ulo whapea nga. Alo whapea nge ulo. Ia masipungi ke kele. E pehi umao suo. Mo rakes. Wape o ka whewhe. Ia o la umeanga whai. O kai au uma. O le auli. O le dina. O a o amala o kue mua I o. E whai ngei mea ai ma sa veo ngei ulo kekele. Ia e oka kai. Ia ole mea la nganga whai au. Until I left. E luatu la ia. I le leinga lea. Le leinga lea o waanga ia ngā. Kau whasia la o waanga ia. O au li yonga. Wa au lea wa uku mai e whakari. Kale ngai ma o waanga I pēr mai. Ia wako lo la le leinga waira ki asi ka mai pu. E a wako e lako trade. Ia o whako la ia. Kilo a. Papea. Ia. Whakari ngai o ko pēr ko mai. Ia a wako la au la popoa ia. Wa au la wa pule o wa sifi o. Ele ave a ia un lako juice. Ele ave a un lako milk. Ai kanga ave mai se au banga fa alua fa kolo milk ko se kulu. Ai fa fi ai la popo ai o la popo ke me ai fi ula bavale ai. Wo fa pe o la popo ke le kin. Ya mai ngua. O ise me ai me ka o commissary. Ai so tangata e alu fa pui. Ya na aula ie ave to tonu se kai langa kai de fa pui kai. E ko ai se lua se lau pe lima se fulu. O mea la ngai e whaakau ai e lako ele oka. Ngā alula I lo oka a goring I le kupele ngā kangolo ai ngā abe kokong. Ia ngā saula I le leo. A mailo kampepa me ai lea o noodles, o big hunk, o sodas. O e leo ngi soda a meo cartons. O le mea lai whai kokongo a waanga ia. A maku ngei la commissary a ngai kenge ia pala ai. Ia ngola ia whao mai ngā ai ala ia ala o ngo ai. E ngai kenge ia vai. E whape ngā, ia o whape whaakali ngai o kou. Ia le mea ngā unga whai until ai. E le a vea ia ungi susu. E le a vea ia ungi ngi juice. Ai whape reo au. Ai whasi ngai au lau waanga pa o laku I kongo siau. Langa ele a vea ngā au. Ele a vea se ngā au se siau. They remain me in that same cell. Ia. Au laku la ke me mua pe. O le la jump mai o waanga ia. O asolong kolu. Ia whape ngā. I wanga walu ese. Lai ama se jumping oa. O le mea la. O le kemi la le a ai breakfast, lunch and dinner. Ngo ngofa o mai lalo I. Wai kele leo ka malo loa ka mawhawhinge. E kele e malako guns. Whaanga le ready ai e whai se attack. Pai ai asa ngā kai sola. Ia. E ngofa lai ko kongo o ma e mua whawhanga ma ko ia pangka whawhinge. Ia uma whanga loa pangka ka malo loa. A ngofa lai lalo. Ia ngā uwalu la ia whapea. Ke alue. Savali aku le kona le wa whapea. Savali whapea. Uma savali whapea. Iko kongo wa ala ai. Ia uma savali whapea. Uma savali whapea. Ma whapea o mea uke savali alam whapea. Alu whapea. Ia uma. Ia alu whapea. Yo o wanga pe anga le whafe fefe yo la wanga. Ele o mea ke whai le whale. Au walu au ia whai. Ki ngā lo loko la wanga ia. Ko ke loa la alu whapea. Se longa umanga ai. Ia ngā walu whaila ia makusang. Ole end la ole series lea. Wa ui fo ngā loko ma lu anga I whawhinga la popoa ia. Ia wa aia tu loa. Wale ko I kai loa au a pe wa lofa ai. Le se whaali ia au. Wa whewhepe ia wanga ia whai o le ngaka. Wa aia lo whaali I le pōlele. A wa aia au whape. O ka Samoa sole. Kua le anga le ulo Samoa ai ika. O wa ai loa. Wa li pa malulu la ko loko Wa vea loa au peo au le king of the jungle. Wa le king la ko the jungle. Au wa king of the jungle. Wa mai uma poto. Wa mai sorry mai Ia o whakula I whawhinga ia. Don't you know what? I'm a missionary. Ele lo foi o go. I am a real ghetto person. O le mako a inga. E ghetto. O mako e ngofo ghetto Anaheim. E loa mai Anaheim I le ghetto Pacific. Ngai ngofo mai ia gang mai Le ia masesi Samoa. Ia kaulo ole ghetto. O faku leilo o go. I really come from a real ghetto street called Pacific. Ia uma mako inga uma ngofo mai ganga Samoa. Ia lo uma la ko. O faku la ia. Ai lea, we all make mistakes. Ia mai lo ai. O mai. Yo I folo fa poko mai ngofa I lunga le laulau isi. A mi folo la kuspa ia. Ai ngala. A maka I lo teach the love of Jesus Christ. You know, love one another as I loved you. Awalu esela mai. Please, okowia. Ye fiasifi. Please take care of these people. They're unfortunate women, weak women. But don't be mean and be harsh. It's not God. It's not godliness. It's not Jesus-like. Love one another. There's the reason why God brought me here. My game is my Bible. I would not did what I done, but you guys pushed me, and I did it for this sake, for the sake of these people. They begged me and they cried, Crystal, help, because they fear you. But now God allowed this to happen. Let's all get together. Let's all get along. Let's all walk. Ya mela o le tali lo pesili lea. O tuspaia na o tonu ina. Na ufusu tonu na ina. Le alisi mea tuspaia na utangi nga. O tangi kele ikangi se palai. Dam ke le palai se Samoa se sia kongu. Nga o kangi le atua. Kangi le kia ope a kai me kangaka. O faku, Daddy, Lord God Almighty, I'm guilty. I surrender. I promise you, God. Daddy, Lord, I will go to Arkansas. I promise I'll go to Arkansas. When I get here, first thing I'm going to do is to ride the bus. If I had to hitchhike, I would do it. I will go. You know, so ole kakaloanga kangi maloi maka wa promise ole atua. La walu Arkansas. Ma walu su ela kamalo ale. Elo iso mai Arkansas. Mole me leanga. Ole leanga fa alonga ta. Afai mai lo le atua alu. Go. Na wo ai Pe yona. Na lafo ele atua yona lalo. Ana fa sauni lava le tolong fa tanga pe I lava na falonga and the salvation of God was there. God saved him. Na I wana alu le ave yona ni never. If I pena foi la na ave le to au fal pui yo wo ai ye lo ai lo falonga yo safa ina ya lo ai lo record wo walu fal pui ai le yala ngi drugs posisi me walwa ole ticket ya mo wa lele pa wa walwa ina lele ko leanga wai loa ko leo umangei makangaka umangei ole Samoa ele back down Samoa ya ka wa walu wa lele pa lo walu ai ka wa ko kangaka ya hey watch out. Ako eva ai la ko se Samoa fa finga muli aku ya. La fe lo Samoa nga wa ke pa ka fe la Samoa la po. Ye fe uma ya fa finga ya o le mela nga kupo ya. Ale fale pui la. A mangalo kangaka. E fa mangalo oi le popo le lua le vave au le pongisa. Ai se Awa teimi lava na e mangalo ai fa mangalo ai kangaka uma fal pui prison jail awa e mangalo o le po ala pongisa ele loa mai le ainga le ngai fasio kia la ko kangaka tulo awa ai loa mai o ele fal pui le es around me fal pui fa kala po afela so ele loa es kangaka o le asa ke sa wai ke mangalo ai a mangalo la kangaka yang awala ale se me ke aluai ngabela ye oeleo e dampi oile mela ia pin ke kele anga fale ainga Target, like clothes. Ia ngā kua iala, ia le pangkai ngā. Se i ao le mea ngālula ie, baba ai po kilo mai seisi, ke ua whanga mai ngā ie. Le ainga le ngālua ngai, whasioki pe ngālua. E ngā oi pe a. Mea ngai release ai prisoners, i le middle of the night. O ke whai ako langa o le lako system ngā am. Ngā ukolo la ia shaukama. O Jackie, my oldest daughter. Baby, come and pick me up. Yeah. Ke ilo le lako shaukama. I le wawe au. Ia wa o maa shaukama soli. Wa shaukama wa ai la wa kuspa ia ma o kuspa ia fasi la ko pe ale misi le loku le kali mai ia Cecilia kuspa ia. You know, that's how I raised my kids with all godliness. Pe a shautama le fo fa o fo shautama. Mai tuspa ia o tama titi ona ala amatua eleto te ese ai. Ia wa ai shautama wala tu mai. Se waka mai shaukama nga wa alfa mission ai Samoa wa sau halu fa pui. You know, it kind of looked bad on my side, but ngo fa shaukama. Fa mai shaukama. Mami, ngai sau le pal pui. Ola pa a oi. Asiva aya oi. Oh my gosh, Mommy, what you doing there? What did you eat? O fa aku. O oi mua ai a chef oi ko kong pal pui. E mua ai la mama se longa ke maonga. Ia ngai fa la e ka kolo le leo. Ia lo ready me ai. A mai lo fa ia prisoners. O me la nga au fai. O le ai ke mai show kama. Whoa, fa pe ngai mai ya. Anga Samoa. E lai ki fa pe. Ya. Ole story nga ole unga la le ole series 1 a series 2. Ole vai aso le. La luato e tato series 4, 3. E lo walunga la le walu ese la ngai a. Ke le fa akali sole. Wa uma ta'u le tua wa fefe le tua wa manga kua o kangi ia o kangi o I will leave, I will go to Arkansas pole ame e pe hitchhiker la walu le pasi pole a ya la to Faafofoga'aga ile vai aso le series 3 ma fa pe o oe o se tangata loto momomo sa uni mai vai aso le so Kleenex a wau te whai atu oe e te tangi. Pa peo oe te loto mo moma ngō fie. Ai a wha pea o oe tangata e joke. E te tangi lava. E te tangi le maalie. E lua la tangata. Vai aso lea. Lua to e ngā tangi le la tangi ei tātou. Oe tangata e tangi mo momo le loto. Wha anoa. Mai tangata foi ana ne joke tangi jola aka i ka ko foi ia kem ka ke aka yes malinga maloi maka ia le aka ke leo le aka me aka so ia lua la tangata a fa pe la le kangi o le aka le kangi o loko momo o la le e pilong o vanga le va ngifo wele lo po ai ko inga ka le fa ngo le fia Alright, lalo ko inga kangaka. Ia a pera o ele tangi le loto mama fa mo sa one my little Kleenex because you're gonna cry. O ele tanga se malie, asal malie, bring your Kleenex also because you're gonna laugh. Okay, next week ma toi a tato fesili ole a double. La ono se la fesili vai asolea. Ai sauni mai. Oana I misi vai aso lea. E te loto mo momo e te toi ata foi. So, join me next week. Same channel, same station. Ole ono a matai, o nei na otu wai la ititi mai ai. Ono lo ualu Hollywood. E piki mai ia la u fashion designer lea. Ai ui lea, o te batu lava le whapetai a te utou, mātua, tua ngane, uso, whanau. Ai me se foi, ia auna lea tua, ia wha mole ai te au te ai oi atu, wha maa ngalo mai au. se tama ia te otou, se uso ia te otou, se tufine po ia otou, pea whaapea lava, wa sasi asu se tala, ona ole vai lava le ngana tatu atunu. But I'm getting better. If I'm posing oh, you're getting better. Oh, that's yes. So tatalo mo tatalo mo mato pule, mission faltua, le Afioga tuile epa sua, maliciona faltua soli sua. Pray for all of us, and we'll pray for all of you. We love you. Ole temilane. Ole afa o ya atu ya te otou. Le whainga o kuka ya o kokongo o le chef. Ia afia sivala. Ia siva ale la afa la yaku kako elengi. La afa la yaku kako kare.
Si paka o mata wa malo poto I tau ma whaine ona po Tata mei a whea tawai tau poto Eleni, Eleni A whalai whalei sili le manongi Eleni, Eleni Whakale sili le manongi Tali oe is whaingai whai ai Whawhai ai ai Whaatau alosi whai malo wha O le manatu e o mātou polonga Atsi I matsi tai tau I le langi Wale I loa e leo wangilu wao
Male o mio ko kongo fali pui pui. Ore ke kele ulo au suo for ye pe rake. Get oi si ke me fai au. Hey, come here, help me. Sabe u fale kunga, wa ke le ulo. I say sabe wa ku ya. Ole fai nga ha. Mame o la fali pui pui. Yeah, stay away from jail people. Not a good place for you. Yeah, don't forget next week. Join me same time, same station. And may God bless you all. I love you.
Takes a trolley to a jewelry store, buys a 20-karat golden ring, takes it back to Molly waiting at the door, and as he gives it to her, she begins to sing. Oh blah-da, life goes on, yeah, la 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 la, life goes on. Oh blah-da, life goes on, ooh yeah, la 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 la, life goes on. In a couple of years, they have built their home, sweet home. With a couple of kids running in the yard of Desmond and Molly Jones. Happy ever after in the marketplace. Desmond lets the children lend a hand. Molly stays at home and does her pretty face, and in the evening she still singing with the band. Oh blah-da, life goes on, yeah, la 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 la, life goes on. Oh blah-da, life goes on, ooh yeah, la 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 la, life goes on. Desmond has a barrow in the marketplace. Molly is a singer in the band. Desmond says to Molly, girl, I like your face, and Molly says his as she's taking him by hand. Oh blah-da, life goes on, yeah, la 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 la, life goes on. Oh blah-da, life goes on, yeah, la 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 la, life goes on. La 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 la, life goes on. La 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 la, life goes on.
Goodbye, my Seleni, ole a o te a, folau le vasa